Hey there, fantastic listeners. I'm thrilled to have you join me today for an exciting exploration into personal growth and achievement. Today, we're delving deep into the phenomenal power of taking action in the present moment. You've likely heard the timeless quote by Lao Tzu: "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step." This profound wisdom encapsulates the essence of initiating change and progress. But why is it so crucial to start now, instead of waiting for the elusive tomorrow? Let's uncover the secrets behind the power of immediate action and embark on this captivating journey together. But before we dive into the heart of the matter, let's first unravel the psychological intricacies of procrastination. Procrastination, the art of delaying or postponing tasks, has a profound impact on our lives, stemming from a fear of failure, the pursuit of perfection, or a lack of motivation, as suggested by research in psychology. Understanding these underlying factors is key to recognizing the significance of taking action in the present moment. Now, let's spice up our discussion with a real-life example that vividly illustrates the impact of immediate action. Meet Sarah, a young professional who, despite initial doubts, took a small but significant step towards her dream career, ultimately leading to a remarkable breakthrough and a sense of fulfillment. Sarah's journey exemplifies the profound influence of initiating action in the present. To deepen our understanding, let's tap into the wisdom of Dr. Elizabeth Hart, a distinguished psychologist specializing in behavioral change. Dr. Hart emphasizes that the power of starting now lies in its ability to shatter the chains of procrastination and propel individuals towards their goals. Her insights shed light on the intricate psychological and emotional dynamics that underscore the importance of immediate action. As we reflect on these invaluable insights, it becomes crystal clear that the only moment within our control is the present. Waiting for the perfect conditions or the right time often leads to inertia and missed opportunities. It's the small, consistent steps taken today that pave the way for monumental achievements tomorrow. In essence, the journey to success begins with embracing the present, taking action, and making progress now. So, let's collectively embrace this mindset and commit to taking that first step today. Every small action counts, and it's through these actions that we lay the groundwork for success. Let's not put off until tomorrow what we can start today. Let's take even the tiniest steps and set ourselves on the path to fulfillment and accomplishment. The journey begins now. Are you ready to seize the moment and embark on your path to success? Now, let's ponder on this together. What small action can you take today to move closer to your goals? Remember, every step counts, no matter how small. It's time to take charge of our present and shape our future. Remember, the power to initiate change lies within each of us. Until next time, keep taking those steps towards your aspirations and dreams. You've got this.